Here we have a rotate command. So if we want to spin this part around, we can first, again, select the items. So similar to the move and the copy and the other commands down here, if you try doing the command without having selected something, it'll tell you down here, no geometry selected to rotate. So with our select tool active, you can drag a box around this, select that entire thing, click on the rotate button, and then down at the bottom, it's going to prompt you to select base point for rotation. So if I want to spin this around 180 degrees, I can just basically click wherever on the part. If I want to keep it in line with the part that I've got down here, I could select the midpoint to rotate it around. And then you can drag your mouse around. If we want to go 180 degrees around, since I have my ortho button turned on, it's going to snap to the 90, 80, 270, 360 areas around here. If this were turned off, then I could freeform spin it around. But in this case here, we'll turn on our ortho button, and then we'll go around. Or if you do want to just type in a number, you can just start typing on the keyboard, and this box will show up, and you can type in the number. Now, since this is still selected, I could then use my move command. And again, when you start the move command, as long as you've got things selected, it'll prompt you down here, select base point to move. So I can just click anywhere on this part, and I can drag it up. And again, since WARDCAM is not a CAD system, I can't specify a specific distance to move this away from another entity. I just basically have to eyeball it and click. I can use these coordinates down here to get an idea of the gap that I have between these two parts. So if I zoom in a bit here, and I'm just going to hit escape to deselect everything here. And then I hover my mouse over this corner here. I can see the y coordinate down here in the bottom is about 1.032, and down here it's about 0.91. So we've got about 30.3 or so, quarter inch or so, a little bit bigger than that gap between those two parts, which would for abrasive cutting would be plenty. So that's the move and rotate commands.